Thomas, sweep the floor. The floor. Good job. Good job, Thomas. There you go. Sweep the stairs.
Are you going to do the laundry too? Good job.
Thomas, the wheels on your truck are dirty. Sweep them. The wheels, they're dirty. Good job.
Dada's feet are dirty. Dada's feet are real dirty, Thomas. Do you want to sweep Dada's feet? Careful, no.
Keep the broom on the floor, please. Thank you.
Are y'all done sweeping? Oh, now you put on your necklace. Very nice, Mr. Housewife. Very nice.
He's dancing. He's shaking. He's going all around. He's doing what he wants. He's the only kid in town.
Yeah.
Did you learn how to do that Winnie the Pooh puzzle?
That's what he calls a spider. Die. A
Did it
spider.
go under the couch?
Yeah.
Did it? Are you gonna find them? You gonna find them? Where'd he go?
Uh-oh.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
No, he's sleepy.
Oh, is he sleeping?
Gotta be real quiet. He's sleepy.
Be real quiet.
Very sleepy.
Thomas, you gotta be
You're blowing him a kiss?
Thomas, you gotta be real quiet. Thomas.
Like this, Thomas.
Like this.
Is that a bracelet?
Like this.
That's very pretty. What color is it? What color is it, baby? Ask him.
Thomas, what color are the beads?
Green.
Very good. Can you put them on your neck?
Very nice.
Very pretty, Thomas.
Oh, very nice on the couch.
On the couch. On the couch?
No, in the house.
On the applesauce? On the paper towel? On the couch? On the socks? Oh, it's on the floor. Oh no. Go to it, Thomas.
Here's your artwork on the floor. Are you going to work? Oh, you're going to dance. You want music? Okay. He wants music. Nice rap, Thomas. On the broom? Dada.
On the broom? On the paper towel? On the applesauce? No. On the socks? Oh. On the socks? The paper towels? Oh my, Thomas. On Dada? On Dada?
You gonna
paper towels.
You gonna clean?
Here, there's one. Look.
Oh, thank you.
Very good, Thomas.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and your ears dirty? What about your tummy?
What about your poo poo? Your poo poo.
What about your butt?
Your butt. Thanks. Very nice. Very nice cleaning.
You're gonna get real good at cleaning your butt, aren't you? Ooh, Winnie the Pooh.
Can you do a leg lift and clean?
Oh, leg lift.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, look at Thomas. Whoa.
Cleaning your butt? Are you telling jokes? Whoa, sleepy. Hi, little. Dada. Dirt. Oh, you better clean it. Very serious now.
Very good, Thomas. He's cleaning the floor.
Okay, love ya. Bye-bye, camera.
Say bye-bye to the camera.